First, click Create Plan from a photo and upload your image. In my case, it will be a hand-drawn floor plan. Next, choose Manual Walls Drawing. Draw wall and click the small triangle to set wall thickness. Set the wall thickness, in this case 15 centimeters. Now you can start drawing the walls. Let's draw the first wall, and here you can set the scale, defining how your image aligns with the real grid of the app in centimeters. I set the value to 500 centimeters, and then draw all the remaining walls. Next, let's draw the internal walls. They are thinner, so again, click the triangle and set wall thickness to 10 centimeters. The internal walls are ready. Now let's adjust the scale. We can see that the value is not completely accurate, so we will slightly correct the scale of our drawing to match the grid inside the app in centimeters. To do this, click Resize. Set the wall length to the value it should have in reality. Now we see that all wall dimensions are closer to the real ones, but still not perfect. So next we select this wall and drag it until it snaps into the correct position, making the dimensions more accurate. Great. We now have a difference of only 1 centimeter from the real size. I think we can leave it like this, because 1 centimeter is an acceptable margin of error. In the same way, adjust the other walls by dragging them until the value becomes correct. For this wall, the value is already good. Now we can add doors. Click Add, Build, Windows and Doors, Doors in the catalog, and choose the type of door you need. Drag it into the room and place it in the correct position. Here you can click the rotation icon to rotate the door as needed, and then click the copy icon to repeat the process for the other doors. You can also add windows. Click Add, Build, Windows and Doors, Windows, and choose the window you need. This window fits perfectly, so I'll copy it to another wall. Then click the Resize icon to adjust it to the correct size. Now you can set the room types. Click on a room, then select Select Room Type, choose the appropriate type for each room, and its name will appear on the floor plan. This is what the layout looks like in 3D. Now you can start designing. Good luck!